Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this simple show. Tonight we're in the Vatican City. On the menu is Vatican pasta in oil. The simple morning mise en place. The super simple prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The hot jacuzzi is ready for the pasta. The oil, red pepper flakes, and garlic are ready to be heated. Here's everything getting together in yummy smell. The pasta is ready. Now we marry the two and get it a good mix. We add the parsley and give it a good mix. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this simple show. Have fun cooking.